Introduction of differential equation.
Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it.
Differential equation. There are 3 points. First, order and degree. Second, formation of differential equation. Third, solution of differential equation. First point, order and degree. D raised to n y upon dx raised to n bracket raised to m. Here order is n and degree is m. For example, d raised to 4y upon dx raised to 4 bracket raised to 6. Order is 4 and degree is 6. Another example, rho is equals to 1 plus dy by dx bracket square raised to 3 by 2 divided by d square y upon dx square. Simplify this equation. Transfer denominator which is on right side to the left side. Therefore, rho into d square y upon dx square is equals to 1 plus dy by dx bracket square raised to 3 by 2. Remove this radical. Therefore, squaring on both sides, we get rho square into bracket d square y upon dx square bracket square is equals to 1 plus dy by dx bracket square raised to 3. Here in this equation, maximum order is 2. Maximum order is 2. For that order, use the degree. Degree is also 2. d square y upon dx square is equals to 4th root of y plus dy by dx bracket square. 4 order 4th power on both sides. We get d square y upon dx square bracket raised to 4 is equals to into bracket y plus dy by dx bracket square bracket raised to 4 divided by 4. 4 get cancelled. Maximum order is 2, and for that term degree is 4. Another example, square root d square y upon dx square minus dy by dx minus xy square equal to 0. Transfer these two terms on the right side. We get d square y upon dx square bracket raised to half is equals to dy by dx plus xy square. Squaring on both sides, we get d square y upon dx square is equals to dy by dx plus xy square bracket square. Here maximum order is 2 and its degree is 1. Formation of differential equation. Observe general equation, and in that general equation check number of arbitrary constant. If arbitrary constant are n, number of arbitrary constant are n, then differentiate that general equation for n times and eliminate such arbitrary constant. Then we get differential equation. For example, y is equals to ax square. Here number of arbitrary constant is 1. Only one arbitrary constant, which is a. Hence differentiate this equation by 1. Differentiate with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equals to a 2ax. Then here there are two equations, equation 1, equation 2. From equation 2 determine value of a. A is equals to dy by dx divided by 2x. Substitute value of a in general equation. Put value of a in equation 1. We get y is equals to dy by dx divided by 2x into x square. X get cancelled. Then transfer this 2 which is on right side denominator to the left side. 2y is equals to x into dy by dx is the solution or formation of differential equation from the general solution. Next example, y is equals to ax square plus b. In this general equation there are two arbitrary constant 2. Then differentiate above equation 2 times, differentiate twice with respect to x. We get dy by dx is equals to 2ax. b is constant. Derivative of constant term becomes 0. Again differentiate. This is equation 1, equation 2. Again differentiate. d square y upon dx square equal to 2a. Derivative of x is 1. Equation number 3. Substitute value of a in equation 2. We get dy by dx is equals to 2a means d square y upon dx square. d square y upon dx square into x is the formation of differential equation of the above general solution. Next example, form differential equation from the general solution ax square plus by square equal to 1. Here there are two arbitrary constant 2. Then differentiate twice with respect to x. This general solution is equation number 1. First derivative 2ax plus 2by dy by dx is equals to 0. 1 is constant. Derivative of constant term becomes 0. Equation number 2. Again differentiate. Before 2 again differentiate, 2 get cancelled. Then again differentiate, we get a derivative of x is 1 plus 2 plus b into bracket using product rule for these two terms, derivative of y dy by dx into dy by dx remain as it is, plus then differentiate second term, y remain as it is into d square y upon dx square, bracket complete, equal to 0. Equation number 3. Now simplify these three equations using determinant method. Coefficient of A, then coefficient of B, and constant term or general or constant term is equals to 0. Coefficient of A from the first equation is x square. Coefficient of B from the first equation is y square, and constant term is 1 minus 1. Then from equation 2, coefficient of A is x, coefficient of B is y dy by dx 0. From third equation, coefficient of A is 1, coefficient of B is dy by dx bracket square plus y into d square y upon dx square 0. Determinant complete, equal to 0. According to determinant method, consider first term x square into bracket multiplication of cross multiplication y dy by dx into 0 minus 0 into d square y upon dx square bracket square plus y into d square y upon dx square, again 0. First term into 0, then second term minus y square into 0 into x 0 into 1 0, then minus 1, it is not necessary to write 1, into bracket cross multiplication x into curly bracket dy by dx bracket square plus y into d square y upon dx square curly bracket close minus reverse diagonal using minus sign 1 into y into dy by dx square bracket close equal to 0. First two term gives 0 value. Second term, third term is x into dy by dx bracket square plus x y multiply, simplify this bracket means multiply by x to these two terms. So xy d square y upon dx square minus y into dy by dx is equals to 0 is the differential equation of general solution
If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.